Out picking weeds in the wheat so that there's not so much green stuff in there with the grain. Seems to be going pretty good. We got this whole section done. We got to go all the way down to out there and get the rest. Finally cooling down here on the farm today, so it's time to get to work. Mom is out mowing right now. I have been pulling hoses off the lawn so that she can get it all mowed and not destroy any of the hoses. So it's a beautiful evening here. The trees are growing nicely. I'll take you to see the other tree we've been working on here in a minute, once she gets past it. But it is beautiful. Just looking at the clouds, oh my gosh, it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Every day, it's just fucking gorgeous. Rarely looks exactly the same, but it's still, that's part of the magic of it, in my opinion. You know, the clouds just do their thing, and woo-hoo-hoo, this baby's getting big. Look at that. Heck yeah. This is definitely one of the more dangerous spots to try and mow due to the hill. We have most definitely put the mower almost into the pond, especially on that bank, many, many times. But we make it work. Alrighty, well, I have just been given a task. I need to go down the creek out front here and hook up a couple of the wires that we had to unhook earlier because we were trying to find the short in the fence since it wasn't working. We did get it working, but we just need to go back and hook everything back up and make sure it's all working right. Also, real quick here, I'm going to show you all of my propagating progress. So here we have all of these babies doing great. The Christmas cactuses. I think this is a pothos, and then another succulent here, part of a tree. And then these two trees, like the one out I just showed you. I'm not really sure what that one is. It's a plant that somebody gifted my mom. And then these little babies I just planted to see how well they do. This little red one specifically, We are trying to get going again because the main plant that we have is starting to kind of die on us. So hopefully we can get it going again. I gotta go the other way. Okay. Oh, shit. Damn it. Okay. So, good word, this is all fucked up. Damn cows. Look at that gate. That's supposed to be a gate. They really fucked that one up. That's for sure. So, this bitch, oops, it will unhook from the gate. Right in here, like so. And then, this gets hooked to here. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Okay. I believe that is all I need to do currently. My mom and I will come back down here either this evening or tomorrow and fix that gate. But right now I need to get back and make sure that the hot wire is actually working. We're almost getting through with harvest. This field's done, that field's done, that field's done. There's just the one all the way over there. Rosie! You came, baby! Hi! That's my baby! Come on! Go, Rosie, go! Sweet demon! Go, Rosie, go! Come on, baby! Good girl! Good girl! Look at you! Hi! What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, no, you don't need to eat the deer shit, please. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's a good girl. You ready to go run? She's like, yep, I'm on it. Go, baby, go! Go, go! Run! Good girl! Come on, let's go! Go, go, Good girl! Good girl! Look at you! Hi, sweetie! That's a good girl! Okay, go get some water. Yeah, go get some water. Okay, I don't see the grease gun in either truck. That's confusing. Weird. Okay. I can't find the grease gun in either truck.
If it's sitting on the car, but I'll get over here in this truck.
Okay, no worries. I'll head back.